Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dalton and this is Bertrand Acres. Pond's looking good, but this is not about the pond. We're going to be doing some lawn care in the front of the property. It is that time of the year where the grass is finally growing somewhat consistently. Back here, it's still a little patchy, hasn't really grown in. All of this around the pond is zoysia grass, and it looks all right, but it's not really ready to be mowed yet. Up front, pretty ready to be mowed for the most part. Like, there are some areas where it is kind of patchy, but it looks horrendous because it's really tall in some spots. This house is on septic, and so it seems like everywhere, you know, a septic drain field or the tank is, it grows really good in that area. So there's like little patches here and there out front, but you guys will see here in a second. I'll show you. But we got a few other things we gotta do. I gotta trim some branches out front as well to make some more clearance for the canopy on the zero turn. And then we're gonna grab the tractor. I'm gonna load some bricks up that are around some of the trees out front. I think they are somewhat like hurting those trees. So we're gonna get the bricks out of there and kind of clean up some areas. And then, yeah, we're gonna knock out the front yard. Backyard is gonna be not too far behind. It's starting to finally grow. A lot of this stuff is kind of rough looking right now because of all the tractor work and skid steers and excavators are back here. So this is kind of rough right now, but it looks like it's starting to grow back. So, all right, I gotta go grab the tractor real quick and then we are off to the front yard. I gotta get the mini chainsaw. I also got a new top link for the tractor, so I gotta put that on real quick. The one it came with, to use the box blade properly, you had to extend it as far as possible, and it was only holding on by like one thread, and I couldn't get the back blade down far enough, or the front of the blade up high enough to just use the back blade. And so I got a little bit longer one that's like 4 inches longer, but it's gonna be perfect. I think this is probably the size it should have came with. You guys don't see this thing on the channel too much, but this is it's a 2015 Yamaha Viking 6. Pretty nice little unit. It's kind of acting up a little bit. Not really like bad, but it's making a little bit of noise on the drive line. Hoping it's not a middle gear problem. I don't think it is. I'm hoping not. It's a lot bigger job. I think it's the splines and the drive shaft are just kind of shaking. It doesn't have that many miles on it, but we'll get it fixed. Not a big deal. It's fully street legal though. I got it fully street legal like 2 years ago. All right, here we are out front. You can see, I don't know if it shows it on camera just how like like patchy it is kind of, but it looks horrendous right now. Like, again, it's still early in the season where it's not fully grown up yet. Like, there's still patches once the sun's out fully, which it is right now, but it's growing fast, but it's at the point right now where it's just ugly, so I want to mow what I can. There's all this. You can see areas where it's not that tall, but I'm going to try to even it up today and see if we can make it look a little bit better. But right now, before we do that, we are going to put all these bricks right here. I'm just going to load them in the bucket of the tractor for now. These ones as well. This tree is looking like it's struggling right now, so we are going to try to revive, not in this video, but I guess that's like a mold. And sometimes they say that these bricks can like kind of starve the trees. And so I don't know that much about trees and plants and stuff, but we're trying to learn. So if you guys know anything about that kind of stuff, please leave a comment down below. We're trying to learn. We don't want to lose a bunch of trees on the property. This place already lost a bunch during the hurricane 8 years ago. So a lot of these were planted to kind of replace those ones that got taken during the hurricane and the tornado. So I'm gonna try my best to kind of save a lot of these and learn them. And so we're gonna try to get this one back. It gets plenty of water. I just think it's got like some sort of a fungus or something right now, because I know the black, it's like a mildew or a mold of some sort on it. It's still growing. It's not like a dead tree, but I want to see if I can bring it back to life. So let me know down below in the comments if you You guys know anything about trees? Go ahead and do that. I can keep talking for hours, you guys know that. So let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tractor. We're gonna load these bricks and kind of get the tractor out of the way. All right, let me go ahead and get the rest of them, and I will see you guys over there where we're gonna trim some branches real quick. So, all right, well, I guess it wasn't recording, but nice. All right, we got all of that done. Just using a little Milwaukee, the mini chainsaw. So I just kind of cleaned up right here. That canopy reaches up here, and I just kept hitting branches. I might clean up a little bit over there, although I think it's good. I think that's all we need to do for now as far as this stuff goes. All right, that's all done. All these bricks all done. I think we're ready to go for the zero turn. Yeah, we're probably good. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and fire this little unit up. Well, pretty much full fuel, we're good. This thing holds a lot of fuel. There we go. All right. All right, let's roll.
Well, it looks like I may have missed a spot.
All right, guys, so we are pretty much done. I mean, there's nothing else really worth filming. It looks way, way better. I didn't really give you guys a really good before. I showed you a little bit, but it was, I mean, pretty patchy, I would say. Some really tall sections and then not so tall sections. It didn't look good, and you know, we're gonna have people over the house. I want it to look nice. It looked okay, and it's not really quite to mowing season yet. Like the backyard, the side yard over there is not ready yet. Like it's not even probably maybe an inch tall, and it's just not growing yet. We haven't had much rain, and it's just now kind of getting into warm season here in Florida, or North Florida. And so it's right around the corner, but I wanted to kind of mow right now because I like using this thing. It's still new to me, the zero turn. It's been awesome so far. I don't have that many hours on it yet. Obviously, I'll keep you guys in the loop on how it does, how it holds up over time. It's built like a tank though, so I can't imagine it's gonna fail me anytime soon. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get the tractor. We're gonna go unload these bricks. Probably gonna bring them to the back where the pole barn's gonna be going. And then we're gonna park the tractor. Then I gotta go do some other work. I'm not gonna be filming that in this video, but I need to get a few other things done here today. It's a very nice day, and so I need to utilize this. It's not 180 out either. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This little sucker is awesome. I'm gonna be doing more full-time like mowing videos. You know, I'm not a professional at landscaping. I'm getting way better, but you guys seem to like the zero turn videos here on the channel. So I'm gonna be filming basically every time I mow this property, and anytime I get new equipment, you guys will see maybe reviews on that, whatever it may be, like a new weed eater, new edger, whatever. I'm gonna do videos on this channel, going over how I like them, things like that. It never really was meant to be like a review channel, and it's not really. I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle in a little bit of everything. So yeah, if you guys are interested in Maverick HD content, or just Bad Boy mower content, or tractors, or whatever it may be, you're in the right place. I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing. We are now fully monetized here on YouTube, so that's pretty exciting. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.